probably can't see, but you just poke. Oh man, I hope I didn't break it. I don't know why I did that. Okay, so I don't know how this video is starting. If this is the beginning, then hello, my name's David from Teslas in Canada. If it's not, I don't know. I'll probably make this the beginning. So this thing here, beautiful, wonderful Tesla charger. I had it hooked up by electricians. They were good, connected it, got that all sorted. But I didn't know that you need to set this up with your Wi-Fi network at home. And yeah, I probably should have read into that earlier. Put this in March, a long time ago. It is August 5th right now. But again, my Tesla's not even here yet, so what's the rush? But anyways, I'll walk you through this. There's 4 screws on here. Let me just flip this camera around. So there's 4 screws on here. You need a hex bit for that. 1 there, 1 on this side, and then 2 down here on the bottom, you can see. So you need to take those off, and I recommend you turn the power off from the panel first, because then as soon as that's off, this whole thing pops off. And then from there, you can grab the password, because there is a password for this, or you can scan your QR code on the side. I found it very hard to scan that QR code with my phone, so that's why I opened it up, and that's why I'm telling you, you can do that. You open it up, grab the password out of there, use that password to connect to your Tesla charger. And I should probably show you that if you need to turn the Wi-Fi on, you hold this button here down for 5 seconds, and then the Tesla charger will show up on your Wi-Fi network. It's only up for, they say 5 minutes, but I found it was only up for like 2 minutes. So you really got to be pretty quick switching over to the Wi-Fi of the Tesla network. It'll open you up to a web browser. If it doesn't, you're gonna have to follow a link. I'll leave a link in the description of this video on where to go for the tutorial, the official Tesla one. Click on that link, then you'll go through all these settings here. I did find that the Tesla app or the Tesla charger would disconnect often. So don't be discouraged, just continue to reconnect it by holding down that button on your charger and reconnecting to the Wi-Fi. Once you do get here, you can connect your Wi-Fi and go through your installation. And the installation, you're just going to put what type of breaker you have and what country you're in. So I'm put Canada, and I have it on a 60 amp breaker allowing for 48 amps. And I did do the software update here as well, so that's something you'll want to do. One cool thing, if you have a V3 charger, which if you're getting a Tesla anytime from now and in the future, you likely are going to be getting a V3 charger. So it allows a little more extra controls. Now, I think the access controls are on all the Teslas, but as far as the power sharing goes, I believe that is only on the V3 chargers. And with the power sharing, you can have up to 6 chargers connected all together. We'll be able to recognize when one of them is drawing power, basically limit the power that's going to each of them so that it doesn't override the amperage that your panel or your breaker is rated for. So that's it for today's video. My name's David with Teslas in Canada. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button. My Tesla's coming in 2 to 4 weeks from today, so I'm very excited. There's going to be a reveal video, some mods. There's something special in that box that's going in that car, and you'll be wanting to see what it is. So stay tuned to the channel. Be sure to have the notification bell on so that you get updated. And I'll be sharing my Tesla, my first EV and my first Tesla experience with all of you. And I think it'll be great. It won't be someone pushing Teslas onto anyone. It's just someone learning, going through the process. I love cars, as you can maybe see. If I zoom in over there, focus there, it's got some Lamborghinis, Then over here, you got some more Lamborghinis, lots of cars, memorabilia behind me. Anyways, my name is David. Have a great night, great day, whatever you're gonna do. Enjoy yourselves, and I hope you subscribe and you like the video. Let me know, and let me know what you want to learn or see about Teslas. I'm getting the Model 3 rear wheel drive version, and yeah, let me know. Thanks.